Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix this operation has been cancelled due to restrictions error. First method is change registry settings. Second method is change edit group policy settings. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.